Here's how to use Powerflex wheel guide pins to make life blissfully simple in the workshop. First, use your Powerflex jack pad to get your jack perfectly aligned and located. And before the weight's fully off the tyres, just make sure you've used a breaker bar to crack the bolts off from the hubs. Once that's done, and with the weight of the vehicle on the jack, then leave just one bolt in. And now it's time to reach for your Powerflex wheel guide pins. There's 4 in each kit, covering 99% of the vehicles in the vehicle park, and each one is clearly identified by its colour. Just in case you missed it, it's also on the side of the thread itself. The pins themselves are high tensile stainless steel, and each one is covered in a nylon sleeve to make sure that the wheel doesn't get damaged as it glides up and down. Each one has been tested in Powerflex's R&D workshop to take over 50 kilograms. So with the pin doing all of the hard work and taking the weight of the wheel, once the last bolt is out, simply slide along and you won't get any damage to your brake caliper, any damage to your rim. And then once you're doing whatever you need to do with the wheel, simply put it back on. And again, the pin will allow the wheel to smoothly and easily slide along, making sure that the inside of the rim and the outside of the brake caliper doesn't get damaged. And it's just a case of reaffixing the bolts, putting them back in, tightening, lowering the vehicle to put the weight back onto the tyre, and a final torquing up. And it really is as easy as that. For more information on Powerflex products, head over to powerflex.co.uk.